Hi guys, come with me. I say take you to the one of the coolest cafe in Pampanga. Napakaraming magagandang resto and cafe dito sa Pampanga and I'll show you one of them. It's located in Balibago, Angeles City, Pampanga. And it's 5 minutes away from SM City Clark. Lang siya sa Walking Street Angeles and actually madali lang siyang hanapin. Marami siyang katabing KTV and it's Mac Cafe located in Balibago, Angeles City, Pampanga. So dito kami nagstay while waiting for Ayan since meron silang meeting with his teammates. This is similar to Grim Cafe in Seoul. You're familiar dun sa may 2D cafe nila. Kamukhang kamukha siya nun and you enter the cafe, ito yung floor niya. Very Instagrammable and it's a 2D cafe here in Angeles. Kung naghahanap kayo ng place na gusto nyo mag-chill, mag-relax with your friends, or during late night cravings, I highly suggest you visit this place since open sila 24 hours. Here's the menu, very affordable yung food nila and serving naman nila is good for 1 to 2 persons naman. Kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner, so order lang kami ng very light meal. Pause nyo na lang para makita nyo yung prices and yung mga available na food na sineserve nila sa Mac Cafe. Silang shake, frappuccino, pizza, pasta. I think they also serve tail drinks or meron silang mga alcoholic beverages din. Yun na lang din yung FB page nila para ma-check nyo yung other menus nila. So yan, while waiting for our food, ayan, in-order namin yung nachos nila. It's good for 2 to 3 persons na rin siya. And si Alex nag-order siya ng chocolate milkshake and si Miggy is vanilla milkshake. So, around 1 a.m. na to since medyo late na yung meeting nila, ayan. And malapit din yung place na pinuntahan dito. So dito lang kami nag-antay. So ordered Yangnom chicken and carbonara. Carbonara nila, yan, malaki yung serving yan. Parang good for 2 to 3 persons na siya. So, yung Yangnom chicken niya yan, highly recommended this one. And yung carbonara, masarap siya. And very affordable as well. So, sabi namin, light meal lang. Pero, since nag-order kami ng chicken, so napakain kami ng rice. Ayan, highly recommended ko yung chicken. Masarap siya talaga. If ever na maligaw ka dito sa area, you should try this one. Instagrammable din yung place. And so we ordered din tong dessert, yung ubi cake nila and masarap din siya guys. Since yung cafe is nasa corner siya, medyo nahirapan lang kami mag-park. Although sa mga parking spaces naman sa tabi ng place. So ito yung second floor. Ito yung the second time na pumunta kami. You can see very Instagrammable yung place and kahit saang part dyan pwede kayo magpa-picture. Hindi rin masyado matao yung place. So ko lang sure kapag daytime kung marami siyang tao dito. Usually, pupunta kami ito pag late night. Ayan. So, konti lang talaga yung tao. Sobrang cute and ang ganda ng place. Meron din pala sila ditong dalawang private rooms. Yung isa that serves 10 persons and yung isa is up to 20 to 25 packs yata siya. Pwede kayo mag-celebrate dito ng birthday, anniversary with your family and friends. Aside from that, very affordable din yung food nila and enjoy nyo yung stay nyo dito sa Mac Cafe. To nag-order lang kami ng frap, fries, and nachos since nakapag-dinner na rin kami niyan. I'll show you in this video yung mga rooms na available na for private events. Yung other side ng cafe, ayan, sobrang luwag niya and hindi rin siya crowded. I ordered Oreo matcha and kung mahilig kayo sa matcha, a must try. So, yun lang siguro guys. And yung private room, ito yung can accommodate up to 10 packs. Ayan, malaki siya and sobrang ganda rin. You can see very Instagrammable and yan. This one naman, ito yung isang private room nila that can accommodate naman 20 to 25 packs I think yan. If ever gusto nyo magstay sa private room sila, meron lang sila mga minimum orders. So, I think doon sa may 10 persons, parang 7,000 lang siya. And that's consumable, ha? So, that's all for tonight, guys. Don't forget to follow and share. And thank you for watching my videos. Until next time, bye!